Hello guys, welcome back into another video guys. Anytime you see our video, you should know that I'm about to bring you another amazing website that can let you earn online guys. So in this video, this website lets you earn online. If you are into music or producer or anything like that guys, you can literally make money online now. So it's not until you blow up before like big stars start paying you for beats or to record your song or anything like that guys. You can literally make money even in your early days of music guys. So now this website pays you by selling your music, whether it is beats or sound or SFX or anything guys. You can literally make money with air gigs. So now let's explore the website together. So as you can see here, yes is bring your song to life. Hire pro studio musician, vocalist and audio engineers. You can literally hire all these people to make your music sound better, like if you are a singer or anything. And if you want to literally sell your sound, you can also do that. So backup artist or anything like that, you can literally make money with air gigs. So now let's go on. You can see here it says song production. It says production service from today's top producers and studios. You can see here it says session drummers. You see live drum tracks and custom loops. So you can literally get all these people here on air gigs. As you can see here it says female vocalists, so top session singers in all styles. So you can get your vocalist here to see audio editing. If you are looking for people that will help you to edit your sound to sound better, you see vocal editing, pitch correction, drum editing, everything guys, you can literally do that here or any gigs and make money. See male vocalist, so top lead and backing vocal, so you can do all these things. You see mixing engineers, mix your song with a world-class engineer. So now it's not until you go viral like before you can literally make money in music. So you can literally make money now if you know what to do, and I'm showing you what to do here. I'm showing you the right tools to use so that you can start earning money doing what you love. So you can see sing in Billboard, Music Radar, Mix, Sony School, Rolling Stone. See all these things are very popular brand guys. So you can see here, the next one here says news and features. So like you can see here, mixing and mastering by Mark. So 6x platinum credit, 7x gold record. So you see, so you can get all these things for just $150. So you can also be part of this person guys, and you can also market yourself and sell guys. You see, so if you pay $150 for this person, so you will have access to this person, and you can say, and this person is 6x platinum credit, 7x gold record. So you can literally get this person for just $150. You see how crazy that is? So you can do all these things using gigs guys. So as you can see here, the next one here says mix down from producer with 10 million streams. You can see here, get a club and radio ready sound from a producer with over 20 years of experience, I guess. So as you can see here, yes, it's $20. So you can also be part of these people guys and make money doing what you love. You can see here what creators are saying. See here, this person say Michael tracked the perfect fiddle for time to make hay. Is the best, so tuneful, tasteful, and more guys. So the next one here says I'm totally blown away by the tracks. Maria did an unbelievable job and the communication was probably good. So there are just a lot of things to do on Airgig and make money guys. So you can also start making money for yourself. So that will be all for our video guys. If you like our video, make sure you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you next time.